Hey, Tuba friends, this is Mr. Batson. We are here to deal with Set B, Tuba Etude 2, but we're going to do the second half today, starting here at measure 17. Quick reminder, we are in 3/8 time, which means 3 beats to a measure, and the 8th note gets the beat. Okay, so anytime you see these 3/8 notes, it's just going to be counted 1, 2, 3. All right, so starting here at measure 17, once again, we're just like playing our B flat major scale. Okay, we've got A naturals, which is second. I didn't mark this one for you, but remember, it's all A natural. We don't have any accidentals. Okay, so if I'm to count this measure, I wrote the counting in above for you, but because these are 16th notes, remember 16th notes get half a beat, just like 8th notes would in common time or regular time. So we would count this entire measure 1, te, 2, te, 3. Okay, so can we all count, please, measure 17 and 18? Here we go. Ready and go. 1, te, 2, te, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Notice the pattern forming. Measure 19 and 20 is the same. 21 and 22 is the same. Then we go back to the pattern we had back up here. All right. So 1, 2, te, 3, te, 1. Now, if an 8th note gets 1 beat, how many beats do you think a dotted quarter note's going to get? Hint, it takes up the entire measure. If you said 3, you are correct. So we're going to hold that note for 3 full beats. All right, so let's count measure 23 and 24. Ready and go. 1, 2, te, 3, te, 1. Then go ahead and take a breath there. All right. Let's count, just for the sake of counting, because the pattern changes there in the middle. Let's count measure 25 and 26. All right, ready and go. 1, 2, te, 3, te, 1, te, 2, te, 3. A lot of people like to get hung up on that F right there. So make sure to just keep it moving. They're all just half beat notes. All right. Finger-wise, it's all just our B-flat scale again. We have our slur 2, tongue 2 pattern. Ta, 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 ta in a lot of places. But otherwise, it's pretty straight ahead. All right. So we're going to start at measure 17. Let's pick up our instrument, and we're going to say the note names and finger nice and slowly. Say the note names and finger nice and slowly. All right, here we go. 1, te, ready and go. B flat, A, G, A, B flat, G, E flat, G, A, G, F, G, A, F, D, F, G, F, E flat, F, G, E flat, C, E flat, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, C, D, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, C, D, E flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, F, E flat, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, E flat, F, G, F, E flat, F, G, A, G, F, G, A, B flat. All right, so we're starting up at measure 17. We're going to play it. We start on a high B flat. All right, remember it's open. So go ahead and play that note with me. Ready and go. That's exactly why we play it, so that we find the spot. All right, play that B flat again. Ready and go. All right, one last detail. If you look carefully, you have forte in measure 17 and piano in measure 18, and it goes back and forth like that for a few measures. We want to make those dynamic contrasts extreme when we're performing this. Because of the sake of the microphone, my microphone is not the greatest in the world right now, so I'm not going to make as big a dynamic change there right now, but when we do the full performance later, I'll try to make that as big as we humanly possibly can. All right, here we go. We're playing starting at measure 17. Get that in your head. All right, 1, te, nice and slow, go. few times. Remember to say the note names a few times before you get to the playing part. That'll make your life way easier. Or if for some reason you don't have your instrument with you, you can do the saying the note names and air fingering, and it's going to be almost as good as real practicing. All right, good luck, friends, and we'll see you in the video where we play the whole thing through together a little closer to tempo.